Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to export bundles using Datachamp. But first, what is a bundle? In Shopify, a bundle combines multiple products into one single offer that customers can purchase together. Before creating your report, make sure you've created a bundle using the Shopify Bundles app. Once the bundle is set up, it will appear in the product section of your Shopify admin. There, you can assign an SKU to the bundle, which we'll need later for filtering. As soon as a customer places an order for that bundle, you can export it using an order report in Datachamp. Our goal is to create a report that exports only bundle orders. To get started, click on New Report and select the Bundle Orders Export template. Next, adjust the columns to fit your needs. You can add new fields by browsing or searching for them, create a custom column, or remove any columns you don't need. If you now click Preview, you'll see that in the columns Bundle SKU and Bundle Title, there are sometimes values and sometimes not, so all orders are included, both bundles and single product orders. We see both because we didn't apply a filter yet, so all orders are exported. Since we only want to export bundles, we'll add a post filter. A post filter filters the data after it has been loaded into the report, allowing you to refine the final output without changing the original data source. First, create a custom column. Name it Filter Column and insert the bundle SKU as the value. Then click Add Filter, choose Filter Column, which is at the end of the list, and set the condition to Is Not Empty. When you click Preview again, you'll see that only bundle orders are included. Once that's done, rename your report as needed and click Save and Run. And that's it. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.